Hello and welcome again. In the fast-paced world we live in, it can be easy to neglect our health and well-being. We are so busy running through our daily lives, family, friends, work, social commitments, that we don't have time to take care of ourselves. It is no wonder that many of us are tired and finished. What are some simple things we can do to improve our quality of life? You've heard it a million times and probably a million more. Drink more water. Think about it, the human body is 72% water. A 5% drop in fluids creates a 25 to 30% energy loss. A 15% drop in fluids causes death. Right now, 66% of us don't drink enough water, so more than half the population isn't using all 6 cylinders before things like bad air, bad food, and stress take their toll. It is not a difficult thing to remedy. Just drink a glass of water every half hour or so, or 10 to 12 glasses of water a day, and you'll notice a massive jump in your energy levels. A little known fact is that heating food too much destroys much of the nutrient content. Considering that we are no longer eating enough vegetables, this is a very substantial problem. Nutritionists recommend 5 servings of fresh vegetables a day. How many of us are following this advice? A great way to get the nutrients found in fresh vegetables without spending the whole day on the stove or eating raw celery sticks is juice from your vegetables. Make sure you have a good juicer. Some juicers expose vegetables to the heat caused by friction during the fluid, which breaks down necessary enzymes. Take some fresh veggies and drink well. It takes a fraction of the time. There is no cooking involved, on the one hand, and is convenient. You can make your juice to work and even give some to the little ones for school lunches. The problem is that exercise doesn't have to be time-consuming or tedious. There are many options. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.